Hi, welcome to the channel. As you can see, this is my workshop. I built this a few years ago. Go into the workshop, it's a bit of a mess. Need to tidy it up. Go out of the workshop, cut the projects there that need to be done. Go across the garden into this side. And welcome to my pub. Or what was my pub. Because it's not going to be staying like this. There's been a change of plans. And everything's going. We're going to be gutting the place. Back to the bare shell. All the units, the bar, the fridges, seating area, tables, pool table. Everything's going. There's going to be a doorway put in there, going through into my workshop to make my workshop a lot bigger. This existing window and doorway is going to get boarded up. So then this room with the pool table in currently will become a gym for my wife. If we go back into the workshop, I'll show you where the door is going to be on the other side. It's going to be in this corner, somewhere around about there. Not too sure precisely, but might have to trim down the workbench slightly. But need to get on and start tidying. There's a lot of stuff everywhere. Hopefully we'll be able to get that workbench in here.